Hi humans. I'm redoing a video I'd already done and I'm going to put it on the YouTube and then embed it. So I wanted to talk to you really quickly in this slideshow about neurons, and I found a great graphic. So first, you've already read about the nervous system. We know that there are sensory neurons that collect information from around our world. We also know that there are motor neurons that are going to tell our muscles to act. Your muscles don't do anything without your brain. Otherwise, you're just steak. So the first simplest action is like a reflex arc. It's called reflex arc. So um, in this, there's no decision making to be had. So this is, think about a reflex. It's the same as when the doctor hits that nerve in your knee and your foot kicks out. When the nerve is stimulated, that message gets sent to the spinal cord. It does not go to the brain because it doesn't have to. The message is move. So the sensor comes in, the sense comes in, so this is hot, goes through an interneuron in the spinal cord, and that's turned right around to a motor neuron, and you youch and pull away. When you step on a Lego, when you touch something that's too hot or spiky or whatever, even too cold, because that can burn you. I really love this graphic, so stay with me for a quick sec. So in this case, you've got a stimulus, and then right here, there's this sort of pathway of what might happen. Right here was that reflex arc that we just talked about. So you step on a Lego, pain sensors in your foot realize that's sharp. That sends a message to the interneuron in the spinal cord, and it runs it right back around to the motor neuron and activates muscles so you jump off that Lego. Fair enough. The other one is where a decision is involved. So, ooh, coffee. I want coffee. That seemed instant, right? But knowing what's in this cup, it's nice and warm. So there's my sensory neuron. We're now going through this split and we're heading to my brain. So I see the coffee. I pick up the stimulus. I can smell the coffee. I heard the kettle boiling. This all goes to my brain. Now I've got conscious thought and decision making because this is not a life or death situation, mostly. There's a lot of choices to be made. So once that message gets to my brain, I decide what to do. Oh, look, coffee. I think I should have a sip. Right? So that decision comes through the brain, then we activate the muscles because, again, this is not an urgent matter. This is something that involves decision making. That's all I wanted to say for today. Heart you turkeys. I will see you soon. Bye.